"I do not wish to catch you," said the fox. "I just wish to be a friend." The gingerbread man and the fox ran on until they came to the edge of a big lake. "But I can't swim," said the gingerbread man. "What will I do?" "Jump on my back," said the red fox. "I will help." So the gingerbread man jumped on top of the red fox. The red fox swam and swam and swam. "Oh no," said the red fox, "my back is sinking. Jump on my head, quick! If not, you will get wet." The gingerbread man jumped on the fox's head. The fox tossed the gingerbread man up in the air. "Oh no!" yelled the gingerbread man, and then the fox ate him up. "Run, run, run as fast as you can," said the fox. "This is the last of that gingerbread man." All right, that's it. See you later, friends. Bye.